What's up, everybody? It is Sully, and it is time for another boat build series video. This time, it's this one behind me here. It's this big guy. It is a Cove 39o for Boston Yachts, and this boat is going to be living down on Martha's Vineyard when it's all said and done. So let's go ahead and hop on board and check out what we're working with here, guys. All right, so when we jump on board, one of the first things you guys notice back here are the trio of the Merc Verado V10 400 outboards. And we're gonna go ahead and we are actually going to integrate those with Merc's SmartCraft into the Garmin MFDs on here. So it's gonna allow us to do things like go to, not auto guidance, but go to on the autopilot with the Merc autopilot system when it is connected in with our Garmin MFDs. In particular, in this boat, we've got a pair of the 8616 XSV units. Those are going to get mounted up there in the helm, and we're also going to go ahead, it's going to get the VHF 315 up there, and all those goodies as well. Before we talk about all the other goodies, guys, let's start at the top and work our way down. This build up here, as you can kind of see right now, it is a nice clean and blank slate. In a few weeks from now, that's not going to be the case. We are going to be doing a Sea View dual-tiered mast that's going to be getting the 4-foot Garmin open array, a FLIR M300, an Airmar weather station, a couple of GPS antennas. Then we got to do the dual 8-foot VHF antennas, one for VHF, one for AIS. We've also got to do the dual solar panels because this boat is going to live on a mooring in Edgartown. We want to make sure the house batteries stay topped up for them. And then on the back end of that will be a Starlink. We'll also do a pair of the Lumitech Razor lights on the back and a trio up front on here as well. And then speaking of lighting, this is one of my builds, so there's going to be some additional lighting involved, and all of the exterior cockpit and courtesy lights are all going to be swapped out, and they're going to be doing the Lumishore Lux lighting package on here. We're also going to be doing the Lumishore SMX 154 underwater lighting there, and I think we're looking at possibly doing the interior lighting as well, so we get that nice color tunable. If we want a nice warm white, if we're just doing some evening entertaining, you're heading out early morning, you want to have just a dim red light, being able to do all of that from your MFD. So TJ's hard at work inside here, coming up with a punch list of everything that needs to get done, ordered up, and wrapped up on this build. And make sure to give us a like, subscribe, and follow. It's down there somewhere on YouTube at Navtronics, and you will see weekly build updates of this and a whole bunch of other cool stuff we've got in the pipeline, guys. So give us a follow and stay tuned. Peace.